I think one of the most important decisions for a family who's contemplating a divorce or separation is the proper process they should use throughout. I think a lot of families think they should just get the names of a couple of lawyers, check around, and find the one that seems to be priced the best or knows the most about the process, and they start out. And really, that's not the most sophisticated or advantageous way to look at this. Let me give you an example. I think if you were trying to decide how to get to Los Angeles, you might think to yourself, well, it's probably want to fly, but I might want to check out trains or buses or driving myself, and it depends upon lots of different considerations. I think in a similar way, there's lots of different ways to get divorced, and picking the right vehicle for that journey will make a great big difference. The traditional way of divorce, of course, is where the husband and wife both have their own representation, and typically the children of the family do not have lawyers, although occasionally they do. In that case, they're called a guardian ad litem. Another very attractive option, in my opinion, is what's called mediation. In mediation, one attorney typically works with considering all family members' interests, and particularly the children's, and coming up with an agreement for the entire family. The mediator doesn't represent either the mother or the father. Another attractive option is called collaborative law, which attempts to gain the best of both systems. Like the traditional advocacy approach, each of the spouses has their own attorney, but the attorneys commit from the beginning to try to process the divorce in a collaborative way by having meetings where everybody meets together, perhaps even agreeing on using the same valuation experts and so forth. We also have something in numerous Kansas counties, including Johnson County, called limited representation. And in that vehicle, the attorney's role, as the name suggests, is rather limited. He might or she might just look at the documents and help the client in a more limited capacity. You need to understand each of these different variants and what their weaknesses and strengths are of each one before you proceed. Otherwise, this could be a very difficult and long journey for you. I think on this webpage I've tried to provide a lot of information that might help you. If you still have questions, of course, feel free to call. Thank you.